Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Boil 2 cups water, add 1 packet top ramen noodles, and simmer for 3 minutes. Use a medium saucepan so water stays at a steady simmer. Breaking the block saves time, but keeps texture slightly different. Stir occasionally to separate strands. When noodles are nearly done, remove from heat and stir in the seasoning packet and 1 tsp soy sauce off heat for best flavor balance. Finish with 1 tsp oil and a soft boiled egg for texture and richness. Then serve immediately to keep noodles firm and broth clear. Add 1 large egg poached in the simmering broth for 2 minutes for a set white and runny yolk. Crack the egg directly into a gentle simmer and do not stir to keep the shape. Toss in 1/2 cup sliced scallions, 1/2 cup spinach, or 1/4 cup corn during the last 30 seconds to preserve crunch and color. For deeper flavor, add 2 tablespoons cooked chicken, 1 tablespoon miso, or 1 tsp chili oil to taste. Balance saltiness with a squeeze of lime or 1 tsp sugar if needed. Use 1/2 broth and 1/2 water to concentrate flavor without extra salt from the packet. Mix equal parts store-bought broth with water and then add the seasoning packet sparingly. Prepare noodles undercooked by 30 seconds, then shock in cold water to stop cooking for stir-fry use or salads. Reserve some cooking water to loosen sauces. Store leftover broth in the fridge for 3 days in a sealed container and reheat to a rolling boil before adding noodles to ensure safety and refresh flavor without overcooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.